Assalamu alaikum. I am Tamina Bashir. I will present isolation and screening of thermophilic bacteria from Tattapani and Mongopir hot springs. Lipases are a group of enzymes that catalyze the hydrolysis of fats in fatty acids and glycerols. Exploration of indigenous microbial sources for enzyme production will provide uninterrupted flow of industrial enzymes. On a commercial scale, lipases are produced by different microorganisms such as fungi, bacteria, viruses, and algae. Thermophiles are the organisms which are adapted to live at high temperatures, and these high temperature environments are widely distributed on the earth. Thermophilic bacteria show stability and more activity in higher temperatures, and they are usually stable in presence of chemicals. The products of lipase catalyzed reactions have high quality, and energy consumption is lower in comparison to the conventional techniques. The availability of thermophile to grow at temperature above 60 degrees Celsius is associated with extremely thermostable macromolecules present in them. And these are reported in most boiling water environments where they normally reproduce. Thermophilic microorganisms have thermostable enzymes. Thermophilic bacteria having growth at high temperature and specific macromolecular properties possess high metabolic rates, physically and chemically stable enzymes. Advantage of conducting biotechnological processes at elevated temperatures is reducing the risk of contamination by mesophiles. Thermophilic processes appear to be more stable, less expensive, rapid, and facilitate product recovery and reactant activity. Knowing a high preparation temperature has also significant influence on the bioavailability and solubility of organic compounds, and thereby it provides efficient bioremediation. The industrial applications of the lipases are in different industries, such as detergent, dairy foods, fats and oils, health food, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, leather. The objectives of the present study are to isolate the thermophilic bacteria from hot springs and qualitative screening of isolated bacterial strain to identify bacteria on morphological basis, and quantitative screening through fermentation technique. Bacteria have short life cycle. They are present throughout the year. They are not affected by the seasons, and they are present everywhere. They have ease of genetic manipulation. Bacteria were isolated on water sample was collected in sterilized water from the Tattapani Hot Spring, Kotli district, Azad Kashmir, and Mongopir, Karachi. The Tattapani Hot Springs are positioned at right bank of River Poonch, and a distance of 26 kilometers has to be covered from Kotli to reach there. In Tattapani Hot Springs, sulfur patella shales is a cause of heating in the water. The Mongopir Lake is situated near the shrine of Sufi Pir Mango, and there are over 100 Mughal crocodiles in the lake, which were fed by the pilgrims. Collected water sample was shifted to the laboratory for further use. Bacteria was isolated on nutrient growth agar media by serial dilution method. 10 to raise 5 dilution was made. From these dilution, 10 raise 4 and 5 dilution 0.1 ml inoculum was taken and spread on the patty plate, which was prepared by nutrient growth agar. And this was spread by using the spread plate method, and then it was allowed to incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After 24 hours, bacterial colonies were appeared on the patty plate, and these were shifted on further on the nutrient growth agar plates, and this protocol was repeated until the pure colonies were obtained. In order to check the thermophilic nature of the bacteria, they were allowed to grow at 37 degrees Celsius. Here we have the dilutions showing the bacterial colonies and pure culture, which is obtained by the pure culture technique. Medium was prepared by using the nutrient broth, and it was poured into the patty plate, and then it was purified by purification technique, and then it was allowed to grow on the slants. Here we have the location of the Tattapani Hot Spring in Azad Jammu Kashmir, and Mongopir Karachi Hot Spring. Gram staining technique was used for morphological identification of the bacteria. Gram staining technique distinguishes between the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria appear to be purple because they retain the crystal violet dye, which is a primary dye, and gram-negative bacteria appear to be pink because they are not stained with the they are not stained with the crystal violet, and they are stained with the counter-stained safranin. Here we have the morphological identification of thermophilic bacteria showing the colony color, colony surface, colony edge, shape, and gram reaction. Qualitative screening of thermophilic bacteria was performed by using the chromogenic plate assay, in which bacterial strains were firstly cultured in algae medium, having olive oil in it with 2 days of incubation period. Chromogenic assay plate was prepared by using the phenol red with the 4% between 80 olive oil and calcium chloride with pH range of 7.3 7.4. This mixture was added into 4% melted agar. This medium was made in Erlenmeyer flask and autoclaved at 121 degrees Celsius and for 20 minutes. Wells were made with the help of the pipette. 100 microliter of supernatant was transferred into the wells, and it was allowed to incubate for 30 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, yellow zones were appeared around the wells, which indicate the lipolytic activity. Here are the yellow zones which were appeared when supernatant was added, and hide the zones, hide the lipolytic activity. And among all the isolates, the isolate of Satapani hot spring indicated the highest zone. Here we have the graphical representation of 15 bacterial isolate zones, and they were made on the phenol red agar. Among all the bacterial isolates that were 15, the isolate L2AKC, which was identified as Staphylococcus species by gram reaction, indicated the maximum production of the of lipases because it have the highest zone production. Here we have the L2AKC isolate, which is showing the zone of maximum production of 25 millimeter. Bacterial cell inoculum was prepared by the addition of 10 ml of distilled water in the slant. Then they were allowed to mix on the vortex mixer, and then 1 ml of inoculum was transferred to the flask and allowed to incubate. A production of lipases was conducted by submerged fermentation technique, in which optimized production medium was used, and then it was allowed to autoclave, and then 1 ml of inoculum was added and allowed to incubate for 24 hours at 60 degrees Celsius. Lipase assay was performed by using 10 ml 10% olive oil, 2 ml calcium chloride, 5 ml of phosphate buffer in flask containing 1 ml of filtrate, and it was allowed to incubate for 1 hour at 200 rpm. After 1 hour, 20 ml of alcohol acetone mixture was added, and phenolphthalein was used as indicator. The end point was light pink color. Lipases unit can be defined as the amount of enzyme that releases 1 micromole of unsaturated fats in 1 minute under particular assay conditions. Quantitative production of lipases was performed by submerged fermentation technique. All the bacterial isolate that were positive for the lipolytic activity were tested for the lipases production by submerged fermentation technique. Among all the isolates, the isolate that produced highest zone of 25 millimeter that was isolated from the mango peel from the Tapani hot spring produce the maximum lipolytic activity of 7.1 joule per ml. All the isolates were collected from the Tapani and mango peel hot springs. Here we have the isolate L2AKC, which produced maximum lipolytic activity. And after that, the lipolytic activity was maximum by L2AKN, which was also Tattapani hot spring isolate. and after that L2AKH, which was also the Tatapani hot spring isolate, and then Mongopir isolate. So the maximum lipolytic activity was associated with the production of the zone. As the maximum zone was observed by the L2AKC, so it produces the highest production of the lipases. It was concluded that total 48 isolate, 15 isolate shows zonal lipolytic activity. The isolate obtained from the Tapani hot spring is maximum zone production can be used as potential material isolate for lipases. Lipases active was measured by titrimetric method, and Staphylococcus species can be used as a new potent microbial source of lipases. Further studies are recommended on the use of various other bacteria and other strains of Staphylococcus species for more improved lipase production. Future perspectives are process optimization at scale-up level and application of lipases in different industries after purification and characterization. Here we have the references of the study. Thank you.